Hello, welcome back to Nails by Mish. In today's video, I plan on filling my nails. So filling the set I already have, which I actually filled them when I filmed my last video and I never actually painted them. So I left them like this for like almost 3 weeks. Like look at the growth of these ones. And I chipped it since my last video. So we're gonna quick fill these. I also have the most annoying little like crack in the world and I need to repair it. I'm gonna show you how you can repair chips like this because it's so simple to repair and really helps keep like nails lasting long. You can't just put gel over this. It won't actually repair the issues. I will show you how to correct that today. And we're gonna use all of these gels today, maybe some of them, maybe other ones. And we're gonna make some pumpkin nails for Halloween. We're testing out another one of the colors from last week's video. This is number 32. And this is what we're working with. Let's get into it. This is cuticle softener that I put in this little container, but this is the actual bottle that it comes in. It's huge, and I just refill this. Cuticle softener isn't for everyone. Me as a nail tech, I find it to be the easiest to do prep for my nail clients because it softens the cuticle and it just makes it really easy to remove instead of when you're going in there and it's all like dry and like I feel like I'm hurting the person. So that is why I use this. So I've got my cuticle pusher. There's not much to get rid of here because I do my nails so often that. And since I don't even have top coat on these nails, I'm just gonna buff them and then prep the whatever part of the natural nail is showing and then reapply my clear gel. And then I like to come in with my cuticle scraper. I love this tool so much. It was only like $4 at Sally Beauty Supply. Here's what we're working with right now. Just did my cuticle work. Now all I've got to do is file to prep the nail plate. What I've got here is a tea bag. I emptied out all of the tea and I've already used this piece before. I put the repair piece on and we're gonna cut a little square. It doesn't really need to be huge, but I make it big enough that I can hold it. That's realistically why I cut such a large. I'm gonna apply some base coat. We're gonna stick that on. Would like the whole piece to stick down. That. I'm gonna put a little dollop underneath. Because I'm gonna push it down like that when I put it in the lamp. Just in this case, because it's not sticking down. It's all cured. Now we'll come in and we're gonna just trim away the excess here. I got a little on my skin, so if they're doing this on a client, like please avoid the skin as much as possible. You can probably be a little neater than I can. Now I can just file that and it'll blend seamlessly. Turn this on. So you prep your nails for your fill, and let's just get the rest of them filled. Now they're all prepped and ready for an infill. And now we're gonna come in with GelPot. This is clear. And how you want to apply this is you want to start off with your wetting layer. So that is your slip layer. So even though I just put base coat on, the inhibition layer of the base coat is still there, I'm still gonna make this wetting layer with this gel. And you wanna get as close as possible without hitting the cuticle. That's why I'm pulling back the skin on the sides. Now we're gonna come in with our little bead. And I kind of like to let it like settle a little bit. As you see, it all kind of morphs back into one piece. I'm gonna start at the cuticle, near the cuticle, like back third. Push the product up towards it, but we're gonna pull back. You're gonna push the product up and pull back. And then you're just going to walk. I'm like circling the product so that it doesn't get any big air bubbles. Like, see, there's one there. See, just kind of grab it. Now push that back up, circle it, come back down to the sides. And I'm just gonna keep dragging it. Because the ends of my nails, I've done a fill. I'm just doing a fill. I don't need really anything down by the tip of the nail, just a thin coat. Now, it's all lumpy bumpy. Look, there's some air bubbles, not a big deal. Not a big deal if you have a ton of air bubbles either. You can, when you're filing the nails, you can always put a base coat on before you put on any color if there is like holes from after finish filing. And now what I'm gonna do is turn and hold the nail upside down like this. Let the product pull down towards the apex. And I'm going to pull the product down towards the apex. And then from the cuticle area, it's a little bit of a bump there. And I want it to look more natural, like it's grown out that way. See from the side, it looks just like a little bit bumpy, but nothing you can't file off. Fill the rest of these nails off camera, and when I get back, here they are, all filed and ready for gel polish. The base coat is really just to smooth out any of these like file lines before I apply my color. Palette because tinfoil is super easy to clean up because okay, so next we're coming in with this Penny number 32, and I swatched these in my last video, which I can probably link it at the end. And I picked this color because it has like this pink tone in it. I thought it would like complement this really well, and it does. Like, it makes it look like pearl, like a pink pearl, which is so beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. I am gonna top coat these because I'm going to do them Kirsty Meakin. I call it Kirsty Meakin style because what she does is she buffs the top layer when she does nail art, and it helps with control. So that's what we're gonna do. Stop saying so. Okay, now here's the final look. Just kidding. Let's buff these ever so gently just to remove the shine, and then we're gonna do our nail art. I'm gonna bust out all these colors, and I'm just gonna like load them all on here. Okay, in conclusion, I think I have the too much gene and I'm not 100% satisfied with these nails. I'm definitely going to share them anyway, and I hope that you love them. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing because it helps my channel grow. And if you just like this video, just please give it a thumbs up because it just helps me and it helps keep me going, and it really helps this, my dream, come alive. And I hope you have the best week and the best weekend and the best day. Bye!